Fresh in the morning, Ras Ali grows. Fresh in the morning. You know, man. Wagwan people. Blessings. Greetings. Greetings, everyone. Ras Ali grows here again, you know. You don't know. Right now, basically, I make you know, say, you see this. It's them tomato here. Bumbo clot, man. Them are beer like crazy. I mean, I've picked a few. I'm not going to say that I basically harvested in terms of the meaning of harvesting, you know, generally understood meaning. But we eat our fight. Others eat our fight. But may I tell us, say, yo, I definitely believe in the whole idea of supporting these plants because I believe that if I had supported these plants a little bit more and from a little bit earlier, I would have gotten a lot more. But me give thanks, man. Watch it, man. Look on tomato, Rasta. Look there. Look on tomato. Look there. Look on the quality of them tomato. Look there. I mean, over there, so ground them find themselves in a Rasta. Look on tomato, man. Watch a fire. Check tomato fire. Watch it. I mean, everywhere, man. Everywhere fire. Watch it. Watch it. Check out that tomato there. Check tomato fire. Rise up, make you see what going on. One place in the fire. Watch it. It's tomato there in the fire. I deal with fire. Watch it. Check that out. Watch it. Check out tomato. This is why you have a bumbo clot plant your things, Rasta. Stop going like you have. I want you. Stop going like you're just a consumer. Produce, Rasta. Produce. What's that? Cha cha. Real talk. Nothing for some man. Tomato like crazy. Pumba. Go on. Say big up Ras Ali Grows. Say big up Ras Ali Grows, Pumba. Pumba. Alright. So that's my cat. Yeah. Ras Ali Grows. Harvest time, you know. So me go. Can call this my first official harvest. I don't think it's going to be a million, but it's a harvest nonetheless. Don't? Yes, I. Let's get a quick view. See what's happening. You know what I mean? Can look at the changes in color and see what's happening. You know what I mean? Let's take a good look throughout the field. Look there. Woo! Beautiful. Watch it. Beautiful, man. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. So, I'll start here. Alright, come here. Small, but guess what? My one. Let me grow it, don't. Yes, sir. And in the land of natural growings, all the fruits, all the vegetables now will have the same size, the same look, the same complexion. You see me? Genetically modified nonsense cause all of them things there. You know what I mean? This one is beautiful. Ooh. Yeah, man. I mean, Panawanya. Cha cha. Come here to me, baby. Yeah. It's going through, you know. Can't take one here too. Come on for this guy. Alright. Ta 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 ta. Come on. Look out this guy. Woo. It's a beautiful one. Look at this. Beautiful, man. Come here. Look at this. Yes, yeah. Thanks and praises, you know what I mean? Look at this. Check this one out. Oh, yeah. Fresh in the morning is when Ras Ali grows. Fingers grip the machete and my foot got in my shoes. Or in my cracks. My done cracks. Yeah? Pick up the two bucket, them with the pan, them with the dip. Meditation positive, so there's no cons, are just the pros. Water cucumber, pull the weed them from the bed. And prune the leaves that have the spider mite, them with the dead. Sun fly up on my skin and mosquito in my ears and ningy ningy. On the ground no make them fed in the morning. And Ras Ali grows. Right now, I reap, giving thanks for the ability to reap. Rastafari King Selassie. I. Yes, I. Come here. Beautiful. Come here. Nice. What is this? Get off. Yeah. Come here. Nice. Yes, sir. Down the line. See there? Woo. See there? Woo. See there? Woo. I mean, somebody would say, hey, you could leave this one, but why leave it? There ain't no need. Omba, you wanna have one? You can have one, man. Yes. I think I'm gonna call it. Right there. What do you think? How much that? About 18? About a dozen and a half? Nice pick. Nice catch. Grow where you eat and eat where you grow, don't? Ras Ali grows, man. Like, share, comment, subscribe to the channel and make the thing go. See? Big up yourself. Early in the